Start your day with oatmeal, a nutritious and delicious breakfast option. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting weight management, and promoting overall health. One breakfast option that stands out from the rest is oatmeal. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, oatmeal is a delicious and filling way to begin your day. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of starting your day with oatmeal and provide some tasty and creative ways to incorporate it into your morning routine. The benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutrient-dense food that offers a range of health benefits, including 1. High in fiber. Oatmeal is an excellent source of dietary fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber can help promote digestive health, support healthy blood sugar levels, and even aid in weight management. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal is a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including iron, B vitamins, and selenium. 3. Antioxidant properties. Oatmeal contains a type of antioxidant called avenanthramides, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Supports healthy gut bacteria. Oatmeal is a prebiotic food, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Types of oatmeal. There are several types of oatmeal to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and benefits. Some popular options include 1. Rolled oats. Rolled oats are the most commonly consumed type of oatmeal. They're steamed and then rolled into flakes, making them easy to cook. 2. Steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats are less processed than rolled oats and have a nuttier flavor. They're made by cutting whole oat groats into smaller pieces. 3. Instant oats. Instant oats are highly processed and often contain added sugars and flavorings. While they're convenient, they're not the healthiest option. 4. Scottish oatmeal. Scottish oatmeal is made from stone-ground oats and has a coarser texture than rolled oats. Delicious ways to start your day with oatmeal. Oatmeal is a versatile breakfast option that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Here are some delicious and creative ways to start your day with oatmeal. 1. Classic oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Cook rolled oats with milk or water and top with your favorite fruits and nuts. 2. Oatmeal with spices and honey. Add a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger to your oatmeal for a warm and comforting flavor. Drizzle with honey for a touch of sweetness. 3. Oatmeal with banana and peanut butter. Mash a ripe banana and mix with peanut butter for a creamy and indulgent topping. 4. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with milk, yogurt, and your choice of toppings, then refrigerate overnight for a quick and easy breakfast. Tips for incorporating oatmeal into your morning routine. Incorporating oatmeal into your morning routine can be easy and convenient. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Prepare oatmeal the night before. Cook oatmeal and refrigerate overnight for a quick and easy breakfast. 2. Use a rice cooker or instant pot. Cook oatmeal in a rice cooker or instant pot for a hands-off and convenient breakfast option. 3. Add oatmeal to your smoothie. Mix cooked oatmeal with your favorite fruits and milk for a creamy and filling smoothie. 4. Experiment with different toppings. Try different toppings and flavor combinations to keep your oatmeal interesting and delicious. Conclusion. Starting your day with oatmeal is a nutritious and delicious way to promote overall health and well-being. With its high fiber content, rich vitamins and minerals, and antioxidant properties, oatmeal is an excellent breakfast option. Whether you prefer classic oatmeal with fruit and nuts or more creative flavor combinations, there's an oatmeal recipe to suit every taste and preference. So why not give oatmeal a try and start your day off right? Recommendations. If you're looking to incorporate more oatmeal into your diet, here are some recommendations to get you started. 1. Try steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats are a less processed and nuttier alternative to rolled oats. 2. Experiment with different milks. Try using different milks, such as almond or coconut milk, to change up the flavor and texture of your oatmeal. 3. Add some spice. Add a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger to your oatmeal for a warm and comforting flavor. 4. Get creative with toppings. Try different toppings and flavor combinations to keep your oatmeal interesting and delicious.